In short, we decided to make a mobile game. We write a few lines of code and the picture comes to life. And then a little more code and a lot of pictures start moving. Is it easy to shoot? At first we didn't succeed. But we found the reason and fixed it. We wanted to find real sound of a gunshot. We have processed it and this is what it sounds like. And let's add this sound to the game. Then we decided to create two new screens. One for success. And one for failure. Here is what losing looks like. This is what victory looks like. Testing the game on different phone models.